Hey everyone, brand new from Hansshow, Alcantara dash replacement with some pretty cool LED lights. Not only do you get a slick replacement here for your dash, but you get the LEDs. So we're gonna do the usual unboxing, check this thing out a little bit closer, then a full install. Install is pretty stinking simple, except there's one part that to get the power for this, and I give a tip on how to make this thing powered, as well as being able to use your Sentry. I don't know really why they didn't discuss this in any of the instructions or anything else, but anyway, I cover it here, so check that out. All the links are below, as well as my discount code TeslaMark. You got to use that discount code because it will save you more money. Oh, that feels good. Wow. Yeah, this looks good. Aside from some little packaging speckles on there, feels good, looks good. I'm not finding any flaws in the suede. It's got that typical, you know, like suede grain to it. Yeah, feels nice and soft. And yeah, we've got the LEDs built right in. What's cool about this is the LEDs like can't be seen directly, so you're going to get a nice glow, and you know, it's not going to be that like direct LED thing. Oh, pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. I am liking this. I don't know if that's like a Bluetooth receiver. All right, nice little pry tool. Yeah, all right, this looks like the control module, and we've got an app here to download to control. So this should be a really straightforward install. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, it's always hard to get started in here, but let's get a couple wedges in there and start twisting and prying, pulling. And the first time this comes up, it's always like more difficult. A little bit bigger of a pry tool. You want to get as close to the clips as you can when you pull up. If I were to pull up here, I would break it. So get as close as you can. Bunch of pry tools. Okay, so all right, so then what you have to watch for are these metal clips. Make sure they're all still there and not completely ruined, twisted up. A lot of times they stay on the dash piece here, and surprisingly they didn't, and they're all kind of intact. But you'll see we got a couple of the others on the other side too. They're all like bent up. So anyway, just keep an eye on that. If some of them pop out, if some break or whatever, don't get too overwhelmed, don't get too crazy over it, don't get too worried, because you can either replace them from Tesla, get new ones, or just don't worry about them. If one or two are missing, unless your dash starts making noise or shaking around and stuff, don't worry about it. All right, let's get the new one in. So what I am needing to do, or going to try to do, is use this Y adapter, because we have one USB-A outlet back there, but trying to keep this for Sentry, and then we need one to power up the LED strip here. So I'm gonna see if this works. All right, so it worked. We wired off the USB-A back there, and we got the dash cam USB that comes with the Tesla, and then we are getting power for this guy. And check it out, before you start like slamming this thing down and getting it mounted and running the cable, hook it all up, make sure it works, don't waste time. All right, this is easy. This pulls right out. No adhesive on there or anything. Let's see. There we go. You can see how these kind of hook in here, so you got to go a little bit like sideways with it and push it all in. When you put it back in, it's going to go in here. We'll pop it back that way. All right, so now we need to run this through here, which should be easy. And actually, let me find the opening, but we'll probably go through this clip here. I use a screwdriver to pop this guy out, and watch how easy this is. Okay, now putting this back in, you can see there's room for the cord to go, but be careful. You obviously don't want to clip it. And then when we put this down, just make sure it doesn't fold over into this area, because you're obviously going to completely mess it up. All right, to get this back down, just line up the tabs, make sure you're good, and start pushing it down. You might have to give it a little bit of a tap here and there, but should be good to go. From here, we're just going to run it basically like this. No big deal. Put that trim piece back on. All right, either scan this or just look for Magic Lantern in the App Store. You'll be connected. But yeah, power this up. I got it all connected. And then, you know, do the wires as you do. I'll have a link to this Y adapter from Amazon.